Hello and welcome to Digification. This is Surbhi. Today we'll learn how to create a business profile on Google My Business. And once your profile is there, when people search about something related with your business, something related to what you sell, you can find your listing there on Google in Maps and the listing. Let's get started. Here I am on Google's official business profile website, where you can see the features, what they give. It's free, easy, personalized, and you can easily connect with customers. Once your profile is there, people can see your name. You can add pictures, you can add videos, you can even post, and people can directly call you when they search you on Google. So let's get started. To create a business listing, you would need official email ID of that particular business. If not, create one Gmail ID. Once you have it, when you click on sign in, it will take you to a place and ask you that give your name and everything. Let's start here. So here it's saying enter a new business to get started. So here we are going to add a name. So here I have added this thing. I click on continue. Now it is saying, what do you have? Do you have an online retail? People want to purchase it. You want people to come to your website, or people can visit your business as well and service. Your business makes visit to customers. So either of them. So here we have a store. I click on local store and do next. Now it is asking me category. Now let's see if we can search something in category here. Let me see this. So if you can see here, there are a lot of categories. So you have to select the best possible category for yourself. Let me check. So here since it's into garments, so I can check with garment manufacturers. So this is going to be 1 second. And you can also change them later, not a problem. Let's search for this. So here I'm doing it as garment exporters, and then I can change more. I click on next. Now I will have to enter my address. Where is this business located? Where is this shop? So here I have already kept it noted that what listing we have to create. So I'm just going to copy paste and put it there. So it's always good that you just keep everything noted. And the last thing which you have to do is you can just add it here. So I'm just going to add the city. I'm going to add the pin code. Here we go. So that's how you have to do it. And here I'm just going to add this. 1 second. And we're done. We've just completed all the details. I click on next. Now it is asking that there are some listing by these names. Are you the same? It's not our business, so we go to none of these and click next. Now it will ask you what is your exact location. You can just drag and drop the pin here. In our case, it's already selected here. And if you want to zoom in, and you can do it, I click next. Now it will ask website, but it's optional. You will have to add your phone number. So here I have the phone number. Here I add the phone number and click on next. You can skip it and do it later as well. And we click on continue. Later you can modify the listing, you can add more pictures, you can put everything there. Now it says select a way to get verified. As simple as that. You will get a code via text or voice message, and there are more options. Here I'm doing verify later. Otherwise you would just get one OTP to prove that this is your business. And you go next. Here I can put the business hours, that what time is my shop open, everything. So here I'm saying that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I can put it later as well. So I can just choose that, okay, on Sunday we are closed, on all these days we are open. And then I can put these timings that, let's say my shop is open from 9 to 6. So I can just select the timing and go ahead. For now, I'll skip this. Now it's saying that, do you want people to message you as well? Apart from calling, do you want people to even message you here? It even acts as a messaging platform. So yes, we would want. Now it is asking, do you want to add some business description? This also we can add later. You can talk about your business, put those keywords, what your business is all about. Now it'll ask you to add pictures. If you have some pictures of your shop, if, of course it'll give a better trust to people, so you can always add some pictures. And here you go. It'll also ask, do you want to make a website? Right now we don't want, we just want a Google business listing, so we'll skip this. It is visible, will be verified, perfect. And if you see here, the business listing is already created. We have not added ads, we have not added website, not even pictures. And right now, if you see, customers can't see this business. Why? Because the verification is remaining. The only thing which we have to do is get verified, put the OTP, and then it will take some time, and your listing will be out there with the location, with the map. When people search about this, they can see it on map, and that's what you have to do.